Welcome back to another YouTube episode of Bob Montego. Today I am trying to explore the idea of, why it is that Jamaicans love to travel with Bagampan and house and land when they are actually going home to Jamaica on the plane. Jamaicans like nice things, like most people do. All right, but because we're cultured into thinking that things made abroad or priced abroad are actually much better than the ones in Jamaica, we tend to find ourselves logoing with all these bag and pans of stuff going home when they're actually in Jamaica and oftentimes much cheaper in Jamaica. All right. Is it actually necessary, that we do this when we travel? Because we've done so and are still doing so, we are branded as one of the people that travel with the most luggage on airplanes. Jamaicans abroad pay millions of dollars in baggage fees, in tariffs, in custom duties, in all kind of taxes because of the amount of stuff we buy. Again, that is not actually necessary. Now, in Jamaica, it's important for Jamaicans living abroad who don't know this to know this. In Jamaica, we do not have, let's say, a Sam's Club or a Costco or a BJ's, but we have instead, which is similar, the same things, a Mega Mart, and we have smart price super centers. Okay, we might not have the Home Depots or the Lowe's or any of those big hardware stores, but we have high pro super centers, and we have rapid true values. These are companies that are comparable to to the Home Depots and the Home Depots and the Lowe's, or the Sam's Club or the BJ's and so forth. All right. It is important. It's important that we understand, that we cannot keep doing this at the expense of developing Jamaica. Most people will actually spend, good money preparing to go to Jamaica. We spend, again, tons in credit card spending to purchase things in the United States or Canada or UK, wherever we are, to take things home when we can actually purchase some of them there in Jamaica. I'm not saying you're to purchase everything there in Jamaica, but the things, take only what you need, and spend the money on buying the stuff that is available locally. We have supermarkets that are essentially the same size as supermarkets here in the United States. They have delis in them, they have bakeries in them, they have pharmacies in them, they have the butcher section in them. They have they're essentially the same size. And on every corner store, you'll find a mini mart in Jamaica, literally, or a shop. So we do have goods that are that are of the same standard as here. In North America, in Europe, in Asia, in Africa, most of the goods you purchase in whether they're dry goods or regular goods in the supermarket, they are likely to be saying made in China. Well, I have news for you. The same thing for the Caribbean. All the Caribbean countries, including Jamaica, have the same goods made in China. So the question is, do we really need to spend all this, money purchasing stuff to make the trip to Jamaica? When you add up the plane fare, when you add up the baggage charges, when you add up the custom duties, when you add up the taxes and the tariffs, when you add all of those things up, does it really make sense for you to do that? My suggestion to you, trust me, is to save your money. Spend it when you get there on the things that you actually don't need to be taking there, and save yourself some money and travel lighter. You will enjoy the flight better if you're traveling lighter. Thanks again for watching Bob Montego, and if you haven't yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can tell when I upload a new video, and tell someone about us. And thanks again for watching.